Can you turn around and say that?
Up in the one.
All right. What are we doing?
We're hiking.
Okay. And where we are?
When
Yeah, but how the name is the place?
this is called Jurassic Preserve. It's called Jurassic Preserve. And we know our website. So now be very careful. Oh wow! Look at this! Alright, look at that one. Up to the top. Up to the top. It's exciting. Someone's been swimming. Yep.
Look at this hill, Jacob. We're going up still.
We're not. Make sure don't step on the dinosaurs. You better. Hurry, everyone. Come on. Come on. Be very careful. And if something don't very careful.
There, Gianna's got it.
I'm on the tree, so.
Gianna's got it. Little tiny steps.
No, don't do that. Don't do what I did. I'll stay here. Need some help. Oh, you need help? Alright, let me get my dog. Don't come down. There's a rock right here. What's this?
Good.
How do I make this one not bite me?
It's down there. Don't panic about a bug.
What? Is it trying to protect its nest?
Did the trail go that way, Jacob?
Nothing is going up.
The trail goes that way. Look. Ow.
So I'm gonna have to come up and help Gianna. Because that looks slippery.
Yep.
Keeps going?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, Gianna. I need to help you when it gets up to that first. Unless you can grab those trees.
I can have it.
Yeah. You want to pull.
Wahoo!
Dale, dale.
Ah,
You gotta grab the tree on your right side.
this one.
The other
The
one.
big one.
Yep.
And the tree.
The tree.
That's it. There you go.
Now grab the next tree.
Let's
The
The
front.
little one.
I can't. Oh,
There you go. Keep trying.
almost there.
Do it again.
Stand on the other side of the tree you're holding on to.
It's part of the training, Gianna. You know, we're going a long trip.
Put your foot on the other side of the tree.
Oh, I'm sliding.
There. See?
There you
That's
go.
how you do it. Okay. Now go around it. See?
Oh, there's a giant pile. I did not see that.
She's not up there yet.
Actually, she is. Her hand is right there.
Okay. Now go around the ants.
Dale, Jacob.
Let me get the repelling gear.
I want to see it.
Yeah, let me just take the video, Jake.
What? I can do that.
Do you?
Uh-huh.
Oh, nice. Go ahead. Jacob need to help you.
I got a stick.
Cuidado, Jacob.
Show me how you were going to do it.
Grab the branch.
You grab the tree?
No, not that tree. The other one. One that I grabbed
Right
first.
here. So you can hang on to this. Let me just pick you up a little bit.
Oh, Daddy, we made it up here. We made it down here. How do we get back up? I mean,
Go.
Gianna, cuidado. And now it's my turn.
Lonnie, come on.
Sigue bajando. Baja.
Hey. It's dangerous. Well, it's not.
Well, if you're gonna climb mountain, you need to start doing something, right? Dale the other way, Jacob. Go the other way. Don't do that way. It was your idea, that, right? Ve bajando la mano, hijo. You have to let your hand go, uh-huh.
Right here.
And she's been doing it for a little bit this day, so she's getting better at it. Jurassic Preserve! Woo! Jurassic Preserve! This might work. Probably. No, there's no way. Fine.
Gianna, ¿cómo que está bajando?